Around 30% of all killed and seriously injured on European roads are vulnerable road users. That's pedestrians and cyclists. In 2014, NCAP began testing vehicle manufacturers who were fitting AEB systems, autonomous emergency braking. And in 2016, they extended that testing to pedestrians. And in 2018, it's been extended again for cyclists. You're 15 times more likely to be killed on the road as a cyclist than you are as a car occupant. The tests that were co-developed by Thatcham Research employ a very complicated dummy on a bicycle. So not only does it look like a cyclist, but it's also got that unique radar cross-section that a real human and a bicycle has. So we're really testing the vehicle system to make sure it can sense a real person. The tests that we employ utilise real-world car-to-cycle crash configurations, the sort that we see on the roads every day. And they're done at a number of different speeds and a number of different angles. This is to make sure that the systems are as robust as they can possibly be. And it's hoped that vehicle manufacturers will be encouraged to not only fit AEB systems that are good for car-to-car detection, but also for pedestrians and cyclists, and address the 100 or so cycle fatalities that we have on the UK roads every year.